Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at IWM? This is the iShares Russell 2000, and the small caps are breaking out. Really nice setup here on IWM. This is one we brought to the attention of our members at Stock Market Mentor in our active trading room, and we see a nice base of consolidation where we have IWM bouncing in and around the key moving averages, near-term support down at the 50-day moving average with clear resistance up around 257. Well, today we got to move through and a close above 257 coming on volume, and so I would definitely look for IWM to continue this momentum. And if you're a trader and you want a little extra leverage, you can also look at TNA. Now, this is a triple X leveraged ETF, but you can trade it just like anything else. It's really liquid. And again, for risk management, I'd probably want to use that 50-day moving average as your line in the sand. So I think IWM could be good to go, and it's certainly something to watch tomorrow when and if we get a ruling in President Trump's tariff case at the Supreme Court. So tomorrow could be a really exciting and interesting day for the small caps, and it's something we're watching over at StockMarketMentor.com. So I hope that video is helpful. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Scott. I'll see you next time.